Hello, knowledge seekers. I am Pratna Vadekar Bapat, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy at Appasaheb Birnade College of Pharmacy, Sangli, affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today, we will discuss Unit 2, Nutraceuticals. Learning outcomes of today's session. You will be able to recall nutraceuticals and get an overview of global nutraceutical market. Nutraceuticals. Greek physician Hippocrates said several centuries ago, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. The philosophy behind this is focus on prevention. The term nutraceutical was coined from two words, nutrition and pharmaceutical, in 1989 by Dr. Stephen DePhillis, MD. He was founder and chairman of Foundation for Innovation in Medicine. Other words used in context to nutraceuticals are dietary supplements, functional food, multifunctional food, etc. According to Dr. DePhillis, nutraceutical is any substance that is a food or a part of food that provides medicinal or health benefits, including the prevention and treatment of disease. Canada further redefined this definition as a product isolated or purified from the food, generally sold in medicinal form, not assisted with food, and demonstrated to have a physiological benefit and provide protection against chronic disease. There are different terminologies that are used for nutraceuticals. In Canada, nutraceuticals are known as natural and non-prescriptional health products. In USA, they are called as dietary products, which include products containing vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids and microorganisms. In European Union, nutraceuticals are called food supplements that cover the concentrated sources of nutrients, substances with nutritional or physiological effect. In Russia, they are called biological active supplements that include mineral substances, micro and macro elements, some amino acids, some mono and disaccharides, food fibers, microorganisms present in human body, vitamins, etc. In Japan, it is the food with health claims that includes food with nutrient function claims and food for specific health use. In Australia, it is called complementary medicines, including herbal, vitamin, mineral and nutritional supplements. Now let's consider nutraceutical market. Nearly two-thirds of world's 6.1 billion people rely on the healing power of plant-based materials for many reasons. I have enlisted some of those. The first reason is availability. The plant-based materials as nutraceuticals are easily available. The next one, affordability. They are quite cheap. Then next one is safety. Now this is a debatable one. It is considered that plant-based materials are safe. Then people's belief in traditional affordability or belief in traditional cures is also a contribution to the use of plant-based materials as nutraceutical. Medical benefits of food have been explored for thousands of years. Modern nutraceutical industry began to develop during 1980s. Global nutraceutical market share by region is explained considering this chart. Now, it is easily evident that North America holds maximum share in the global nutraceutical market. North America region considers US, Mexico and Canada. Followed by Asia Pacific. It holds the second maximum share for nutraceutical market. It includes countries like China, India, Japan and other. Europe considers countries like UK, France, Italy and other. While rest of the world includes the regions like South America, Middle East and Africa. Global nutraceutical market. By 2025, the global nutraceutical market is expected to reach US dollar 578.23 billion according to Grand View Research. As per research analyst, the nutraceutical market will register compound annual growth rate of 8% by 2023. Along with India, the market is growing in countries like Brazil, China, South Korea, Poland and Mexico. This leads to increased compound growth rate more than 9.7% from 2017 to 2025. North America may grow at compound growth rate of 9% from 2017 to 2025. In countries like China, Japan, India and Asia Pacific, market will rise with compound annual growth rate of 9.9% from 2017 to 2025. The reasons for growth in the global market for nutraceutical can be considered broadly three. The first one is the cost of medical treatment and hospitals. The cost of medical treatment on hospital has been increased a lot. That's why people prefer health supplements and nutraceuticals for prevention and prophylaxis. The next one is malnutrition in developing countries. And the last but not the least one is the increased stress. Due to work culture, diet pattern and change in lifestyle, there is a lot of stress, and that's why people are focusing more on healthy food. Now let's pause a video and we will try to write down the examples of nutraceuticals that we might have used or we know already. Well, I guess you have done this. So let's discuss. Chyawanprash. I'm sure everybody amongst us might have tested this. Patanjali Amla juice. Now this is also a very well known example of nutraceutical. If you look carefully, you can write n number of nutraceuticals that are available in market. Thank you.